Withdrawing money from Kucoin to a bank account UK is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, visit the Kucoin website and log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Assets or Wallet section of the platform. Look for the option to withdraw funds. Next, choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw. Ensure that you select GBP if you wish to withdraw to a UK bank account. Enter the details of your UK bank account, including the account number, sort code, and any other necessary information. Enter the amount of GBP you want to withdraw. Make sure you have enough balance in your Kucoin account to cover the withdrawal amount, along with any fees. Review the withdrawal details carefully, including the destination bank account information and the withdrawal amount. Confirm the withdrawal request. Depending on Kucoin security measures, you may need to go through additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmation. After submitting the withdrawal request, you will need to wait for Kucoin to process the transaction. The processing time can vary depending on factors such as network congestion and security checks. Once the withdrawal is processed by Kucoin, the funds should be transferred to your UK bank account. Check your bank account balance to confirm that the funds have been received.